Welcome back in for part 3. Last time, part 2, we did the engine and the bed, fenders, and a little bit of the interior and things, radiator, things like that. So now we're about to start on like headlights and a few other little things, you know. Be carried out through this video. A lot of interior pieces, steering wheel, seats, things like that will be in this video. So anyway, we got some pieces together, all right there, ready to rip. So we're about to get to it and see y'all again. All right, so that's a wrap on part 3. So it's got steering wheel, shifter, seats, suicide door, all that kind of good stuff. Oh, it's got both headlights. Yeah. So that's gonna wrap it up for this one. We'll finish up the rest of the body and the tires and stuff in the next one, and that'll be it. So appreciate y'all watching. See y'all in number 4.